are. How do we activate our people, our communities? Because in their experience, which is also mine, very oftentimes we see faith leaders when, say, maybe we have a protest or a labor action. But what happens? How do we bring in the people that make up the community?
I think for our sake, when I do teaching, I remind them that synagogues are supposed to be built with a window in the chapel, so that you remind yourselves that, what you pray for inside the chapel has to be lived outside, right? And the matters of outside have to be brought in to talk about those concerns from outside. You have to have that window in order to be able to live out your practice, live out your religion. I think role modeling, if your faith leaders are not there, I think that's a problem. So to have faith leaders at protests, I think, is an integral step. But I also think that we need to do basic organizing in our congregations. I know the work that we do with NOAA is pivotal in our community, to have our areas and our unions collectively together with houses of worship, that we tap people so that it's not just a top-down message, that it's actually lived out. So we have justice committees and we have our NOAA participants, and the basic practice of organizing is that they'll tap 5 people who will tap 5 people, and you have to build that into the system.